Jones, your Wall Street 30-day trade setup for today. So, yeah, it's looking like we are tagging levels left, right, and center. There are opportunities abound everywhere, and world economies are strong. Anyway, at the moment, yesterday was a public holiday. We've had a couple of days of pretty much sideways motion in a sort of a range. Not there, but there. You see there, and we're currently sort of looking to break out of that range at the moment. Okay, we do have this gap to the upside, which I think is pretty much what's on offer at the moment. Um, Once that gap is done, we've got another level higher up at 2700 basically. Then we have another gap, and then we have the all-time high. Okay, and it kind of looks like that's just the way the structure is going to play out. So let's just get down to levels we can play. So for starters, I just want to fine tune this. We have broken up above. I just need to get both of them in there. The structure here is a little bit different to what's on offer on the S&P. S&P's got some clear breaks. The Dow Jones doesn't quite have some clear breaks at the moment. So one thing that's concerning me is the oscillators. We are at a level. Now the question is, during after hours trading, price is moving up, but is it going to sustain itself? So I think that's a question we all need to ask ourselves. And as I said earlier, as I said on the weekend, you've got to be very careful of getting sucked into any noise at the moment. So there are so many conflicting stories around on the web. You've got the camp that say, the markets are going to fall and the big crash is coming, and then you've got the other camp saying, "Oh, don't be stupid, this thing's going up." So, and that's the beauty about the market, I suppose. You've got your bulls and your bears, and there's a tug of war every single day. And that's battle lines are drawn, and there are winners and losers every day. But as far as I'm concerned, you need to trade what's on the chart. And at this stage, we have some breakouts, not quite confirmed yet on this chart, but they are very much on offer. Strong move up, sideways, breakthrough, retest, second leg up, and my second leg is basically 2,000 points. Okay, or another 8% move to the upside. So that's kind of the scenario that I'm looking at the moment anyway. So if you look at what transpired yesterday, so we had this move up, we had a pin bar off a level, and I think I can just use this one. I want to get too tidy. There's my level there. Break up, retest on that pin bar. There was another pin bar there, and then we basically moved up. That was based on some good news coming out of Germany. So at this stage, I'd like to see pullbacks, and the pullback that I'm looking for is back onto at least 24844. Okay, the fact that we are at this level and sort of battling at 24900, not an area that I want to be long. So you want to be buying off support, not off resistance, and that is a resistance level there. Okay, so the minute it breaks through and it comes back and turns it into support, that would be an area to buy. But at this stage, this is where you're looking to buy, 24844, and it's as simple as that. Okay, we come down to 15 minutes. And just to highlight a few things on sort of yesterday's trading price action. Okay, wouldn't have got this. It was too early in the morning for me anyway. But there's my level. You can see move back down onto it. Inside bar, pin bar. That's a double whammy. In other words, two signals off a level. A break above there gives me long. Stop is below that bar, and that's exactly what transpired. If I move this level up to there, you can see that's a breakout area. Look there. Back onto it. Inside bar. Okay, if I move that even further up into that area there, and that's not quite exact, but you can see all these bars that close at this area. Breakthrough, support, up, come back. That's all support. When you see that kind of price action on a level, you have a limit order above the break here with the stop here, because you know there's going to be some kind of move coming up, and there it was there. Okay, that's just pure price action structure off levels, and I think that is exactly what you need to look at the moment. So right now, let's zoom in a bit. Right now, you've got a rejection on a level, not an entry. You're looking for a move down to the 24,844 area before getting long. And if you take this on some higher time frames, okay, you see there is still some structure, but the next level down would be this area here, which is quite strong as well, which would be 24,752. So bottom line is I'm looking for longs and not really interested in any shorts at the moment. And I'm not going to be shorting against the trend. So for me, the trend is up, and as long as it's up, I'm looking for longs. I'm not even looking for short scalps. Any pullback is an opportunity to buy. So those are the levels I'm looking at today on Wall Street, on Wall Street 30, on Dow 30, and yeah, that's it for me. I hope that helps, and keep us up tight, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.